Welcome back to Heliosec Art with Sean. That's me. This is my Ode to Halloween video. I am back home. However, this video that you're about to watch, whenever it shows up, this painting was actually done while I was still in Alaska, and it is already sold. I did put a sneak peek of it on Facebook a while back, but this is the how-to. So I hope you enjoy it. We are going to start out with the flooding. I do want to speed it up, so I may do some voiceover. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this journey of artistic discovery. Glad to have you here. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and all those other fun things. Share your channel with me. I will come take a look and probably subscribe. Thanks. Be right back. So I am flooding the canvas with my silver by Folk Art. It's actually sterling silver by Folk Art. And I'm doing the edges first just because I think that gives a better coverage of my edges. It makes sure that's all taken care of before I start painting. And the silver, I don't really want to call this a flood, not really, because I'm just kind of making sure there's enough on there so the rest of my colors will slide nicely on the canvas. I don't need to have a ton on there. It doesn't have to be super smooth like when I do a blowout, because this is going to be more of a tilt, a pour and a tilt. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. I also have Dioxazine Purple by Grumbacher. And about my two glow at home pieces, they do not glow in the dark. They've got beautiful neon colors, but they do not glow in the dark. These are the dries. I am literally gonna puddle with a little extra. How's that? For fun. And then I'm going to go with my Orange Red by Artist Loft. And dance that around a little bit. Because it's fun. All right, put some more in there. Okay. And then I'm going to go with the Brushed Antique Gold by Artist Folk Art, actually. I have a lot of silver in there, so having a lot of gold's not a problem. I'm going to see how this is going to sell up. It should be fun. And then this one is Hooker Green by Artist Loft. Okay. Now, then what do I want to do? I think, see, I'm thinking as I go, it's a fun process. I think I'm going to use a black cell activator. I am going to, so this is just my black, this is actually the Americana. And I need to put a little bit more on my palette knife. Okay, and this is just, it's a 4-to-1 floetrol to paint is the difference on this. It does still have a little water in it. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to lay this on top and gently move it across the top of the paint that's there. All right, I'm going to start over this way and go like this. Look at that. That is so cool. I don't know if you guys can see those colors, but that's such a cool color. Anyway, and then I just put it there. Yummy. Okay. Now, I'm going to hit it with my torch, get bubbles out. Oh, come on. Popping a couple extra cells there. Come on, I can see you, little air bubbles. Come out of there. All right. Other way is off. Okay. Now, all right, so I'm going to tilt this a little bit so you can see before I really tilt. Check that out. All right. Now, oops. I want to take my trusty chopstick and give myself some loop-de-loos in here. All right, and as the Massey brothers would say, the Massey men, they're not brothers, I don't guess, it's tilting time. So we'll tilt this way. And over this way. I am going to wind up having negative space with this, I think. I don't know that I put enough paint on there, and that's okay. I can always add more paint if I need to. But I like the silver, so I'll try to get my arm out of the way so you guys can see what's going on with this. All right, over this way. See if we can get down here into this corner. Okay, now we need to go back this way. Oops, that was fun. I'm so messy. I'm a messy, messy, messy person. Okay. So I have decided that there are parts of it I don't like very much already. Like over here, it's turned a little muddy, so I'm going to add some more paint in there. And then we will continue. Actually, if I lay it down, it's not quite too, I don't know.
Tilt it?
I need to tilt
that way.
I need to tilt that way, according to my sweet, lovely daughter.
The bright colors.
Yeah, well, I just don't know that I have enough on there, which is fine. That's what happens when I just go for puddles instead of a cup. It means I don't know how much paint I'm putting on. Okay, so I am gonna wipe my fingers off. Okay, so I need some brightness over there, and I just don't have it. So, well, I could add some more orange over there. My daughter says I should add some brilliant yellow. Guess I could do that. I think I want to put it right here. And then I want to put the purple. And then I think I'm actually going to add a little bit of white to help separate the purple from the green, because I think that might be what caused some of that mud. And then where's my book? And a little bit of black on the green before I add some orange. I'm just having fun with paint. Thank you for joining me on this journey of artistic discovery. There we go. And black, it's so messy. Messy, 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 messy. Messy, 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 messy. We're gonna Do a little bit of cell activator again here. Whoop. Over the top of that. Just go like that. Cool. All right. Okay. Now let's tilt this way. Need to get over into this corner a little bit here. Come on. Anchor that corner down. Come back over this way. It should push that other paint that's there. So watch, now that can flow a little bit and it will come and move into that corner. Okay, I'm starting to like this. Now we're going to come back down this way. I want to get a little bit more down in this corner, so let's let it move this way. Telling you what, playing with paint is fun. It just is really cool to watch. It is a great science lesson in addition to artistic. Stretch it all out. Come on, guys. Get over there in the corner and come down onto this edge. Come on, come on, come on. It's almost there. Tilt it that way a little bit. Come on, come get my corner. All right, I got that corner. Let's go back this way. What do you guys think? Do you think this has some Halloween vibe to it? I don't know. Come on, slide down that, get that other corner, guys. I know it's slow, sorry, but I love it. Like, I don't know if you guys can watch it move as well as I can in the camera. I love getting to watch the paint move and process. And where's it going? It is almost there. It is almost there. Come on, come on, okay. Right off the edge. There we go. Okay. Woo. All right. I'm going to scrape my edges. It's one of those things you always do to help make sure that those drips do not drag your paint off the canvas. And then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up and let you see this final product from my angle. I'll be right back. Okay, I love it. Okay, so we come in over here, like the green is so bright. Where did my finger go? There it is. See this little rivulet of the orange? I'm glad I added that little bit of white. This has actually got some mixture of silver in it right here. The silver and white and the yellow. Good call on that one, Lynn, your daughter of mine. That's got like sunsetty colors there. And over here. And so, I don't know. You guys think you see Halloween in this? I don't know. And then over here we got all the cool poppin' cells. I love this. I do. I just love it. I'm shocked and amazed every time something turns out so really cool. Oh look, it's a duck. There's a beak. There's his eye. Woohoo! It's a duck. That's fun. All right. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of artistic discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Until next time.